Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through dock maintenance for the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in this product, check the link in the video description. So first up, we'll start with the top. We have two handles here to remove the dirty water tank and the clean water tank. These are two things that you'll want to make sure are cleaned every once in a while, specifically the dirty water tank after every use to avoid odor buildup, but not a bad idea to also clean and rinse out the clean water tank as well, just for optimal performance and to make sure everything is exactly as it should be. With both tanks removed, you can always visually inspect in here and wipe away any water residue or buildup. And just keep an eye on all of these inlets and outlets here to make sure that there's no obstructions blocking them from working properly. Next up on the station, we have a removable cover here that just pulls out from the top. And we have 3 tabs at the bottom revealing our vacuum bag. So once that's full, very easy to replace this just by grabbing it, disposing of the old one, and then taking your new one and reinstalling it in here. You can also clean out with compressed air anything that might be building up or settling inside here, but just take the new bag and then just gently press it in place. And now at the very bottom, if you ever need to clean this ramp, it does just pop right up and off. So we have a couple tabs here, so just gently pull it up and out of the way so you could rinse this off as needed. And then we have our charging contacts. You can make sure those are free from any obstructions. Same with our water inlet there. We have our self-empty channel right here. You can always visually inspect that and pull away or remove any debris that's building up. And then lastly, our tray right here, this just gently pulls out so we can easily wash and clean this tray if there's ever any heavier debris that has started to build up right here. And you could wipe down the inside if there's any remaining residue, but most of it should be caught on the tray that you can easily remove and rinse off as needed. And on the tray itself, for those wondering, you can pop this off too for an even deeper clean. So that is okay to remove, and then it just snaps right back on. There's really not much to it. The station basically takes care of itself.